In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove extra space in Google Sheets. Extra spaces can sneak into your data when people paste from other sources, import CSVs, or type quickly. Those stray spaces can break sorting, cause mismatched lookups, and make your sheet look inconsistent. The simplest, safest way to clean them is with the trim function, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google's homepage. In the top right corner, click the small 9-dot grid, often called the Google Apps Launcher. From the menu, select Sheets to open Google Sheets. Once you're there, open the spreadsheet you want to clean. If you already have it pinned or recently opened, you can select it from your list. With your spreadsheet open, click an empty cell where you want the cleaned result to appear. Using a blank cell is helpful because it lets you keep the original text untouched while showing the corrected version side by side. Now begin typing the formula. Type echo trim. As you type, Google Sheets will suggest the trim function in a small drop-down. Click Trim in that suggestion list to auto-complete the function name and add the opening parenthesis. You'll see something like echo trim, waiting for the cell reference. Next, click once on the cell that contains the text you want to fix. This tells the formula which value to clean. You should now see the cell reference inside the parentheses. Type a closing parenthesis to complete the formula. So your cell will read something like echo trim A2, but with your specific cell reference. To confirm the formula and let Sheets calculate, click on another cell. You'll immediately see the cleaned text appear in the cell where you entered the formula. Trim removes any leading spaces at the start, trailing spaces at the end, and collapses multiple spaces in the middle down to a single space, which is exactly what you usually want for names, addresses, and other text fields. A couple of quick notes to keep in mind. The original cell is not changed. The trim formula displays a cleaned version in the new cell. This is great for reviewing changes before you use that cleaned text elsewhere. Also, trim focuses on standard spaces. If your data came from unusual sources, you might still see non-standard characters, but for most cases of extra spaces, trim does the job perfectly. That's it. You've opened your sheet, placed the formula in a blank cell, selected the messy text, closed the parenthesis, and confirmed it, leaving you with clean, consistent data ready for sorting, filtering, and analysis.